know this sounds like an airplane, but it's been going on for like a half an hour from the same spot in the sky. I don't understand. It's got the animals riled up too. I really hope you can hear this. Now it's kind of fading, but my guess is it's going to be coming back here in a second. Yeah, it's definitely coming from the sky. That's the air conditioner. Well, that's going to make it pretty hard to hear, but this sound is just continuing for about a half an hour now. It sounds just like an airplane going by, but just consistently and from like the same space in the sky. Yeah, here comes the sound again. You may not be able to hear it over the air conditioner, but I wish that air conditioner would go off so you can hear this. Here it is louder again, much louder. It was really loud earlier. There's a little lizard down there somewhere. I wanted to see if I could capture him. This sound has really got me goofed up. I can't understand what it could be. It's still going. You might not be able to hear it. Probably can't over the air conditioner, but it's just a solid, like airplane jet. That's what it sounds like. Now it's kind of faded again. Feels like it's coming from right up there somewhere. Well, it's impossible to hear over the air conditioner, I'm sure, so I'm going to stop the video now and see if maybe I can do it later when the air conditioner's off.